just showing you this because you know how I like to have my house clean and organized. But this office is a mess. My husband and my son on vacation during the summer. I couldn't get here. They spend long periods here drawing, playing around, watching movies on the computer. But it's time now to put everything together, clean, organized, and make this room look much better. And if you have any room in your home that you couldn't get there for a while, for any reason, you can go there today. I hope I can give you that motivation. So let's go and clean it together. And also, why not? Let's decorate it. I'm gonna put a touch of the fall. That is the season that is underway. Nothing is gonna be crazy, no pumpkin, nothing like that. It's gonna be just a little touch of that season. But also I will be keeping some of the summer greenery because the summer is beautiful and is passing by. The first thing I'm going to do is to remove everything possible from this room. That way I'm gonna have the room empty. I can clean the corners, the carpet, the window, the furniture, and anything else possible. Okay, thank you to all of you for being here today with me. And if you are new here, don't forget to click on that subscriber button. Thank you for doing that, and I hope to see you in my next video. For now, let's start to put this room together. time for the reveal. Here a little bit of the before of the declutter. So a lot of extra stuff here, extra printer, extra books, extra picture frames, extra seats, a lot of papers, scissors everywhere. Okay, let's see the transformation now. I am really pleased of how the room is looking now. It turned out beautiful. It has my personality here, and I love that even it looks spacious and it's organized, and that little touch of the colors of the fall. But also some of my plants here representing the summer. I'm leaving you with the video now, and let me know in your comments what do you think about the transformation. Thank you for being here with me today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye, and remember, cook plants and decor and be happy.